Hi, I'm Roger with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 40-foot 05 Dutch Star diesel pusher. Gorgeous rig, well cared for. I sold this and then I actually took it in on trade. Great rig, great people. They took great care of it, did all their service and everything. We got a lot of storage throughout here. Big slide tray. It is an 05. You got fuel fill on both sides. Good tires on it. Push button awning. Full body paint. It's got the excellent Newmar insulation package that you always hear about. We've got all the window awnings. 100 gallons of fresh water. 100 gallons of fuel. Great tow package. This vehicle will tow up to 10,000 pounds. According to the hitch on it. Easy to get to the ISL, or I'm sorry, the CAT engine. Side mounted radiator. Easy to do your maintenance on the engine, inside, outside. Great build. Newmar's a legend in the RV industry. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is going to be a front entry coach. So you don't have a door in the middle of your living room with a big hole in it. That hole's up front. You push a button, it's going to fill in that hole for the passenger. So the passenger doesn't have their feet dangling in midair. It's on the Spartan chassis, which is a nice ride. One of the more premier builders of chassis for coaches to this day. Allison 6-speed transmission. Again, it's got the CAT engine in it. Automatic hydraulic leveling, automatic electric mirrors with heat. Just all the bells and whistles you expect with a Newmar diesel pusher. We've got real cherry wood cabinetry throughout the coach. Great pantry right next to the refrigerator. It's a huge pantry, obviously. Free floating recliner sofa that makes into a bed. It's got the table and chairs, 2 extra chairs with it, so you can seat 4 comfortably. Again, all that cherry wood. Beautiful, I love cherry wood. It's got the appliance garage here, so you can put away like the Keurig and stuff like that. Get it out of sight. More storage, more storage, more storage. It's a tremendous amount of storage. This is what we call a split bath. Shower on the passenger side. It's the Neo angle. Potty on the driver's side with a sink. Porcelain. Nice medicine cabinet. We've got a king-size bed in back. This is a 3-slide coach. 2 up front, 1 back here in the bedroom. Big closet in the back. It's got the Splendyne 2100 washer dryer all in one. It's like Ronco says, set it and forget it. This is a 2005 Dutch Star. It's a 40-footer. It's a 3-slide CAT engine, Allison transmission. I'm Roger with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you for letting me show you this coach real quick. If you have any questions about this or any others, get a hold of me.